Starry in color collection that is
coming your way.
Coming soon. So here we go.
Hold on. So we did such a fair job.
All right, so we've got, and just showing here in this view, and we'll close up on some of this. But we've got Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, Orchid Oasis, and Starry Skye. And there's Stampin' Right markers, ink pads, refills, Stampin' Blend markers, so they come two in a pack, light and dark. And then moving over here, look at this. We got a runner. So this is metallic woven ribbon in each of the each of the colors here. I don't know if we can.
So pretty.
So that's pretty awesome. And then
we are missing dots. There's dots.
There's a couple of
and baker's twine that were not available for us to purchase yet.
opal rounds.
Those are for next. Those are the other colors. Last year's colors.
Oh, last year's colors. Yep. My bad. Okay,
yep.
So matte decorative dots and in color baker's twine coming soon. Coming to Stampin' Scoop near you soon.
And almost every card project we do from now on because they're setting.
And
yummy colors.
They play so nicely together.
They do.
They're so pretty, so pretty. And we are going to do a full comparison very soon.
In a minute.
Yeah,
on this show. Don't leave.
And share with you the comparison to some of the older colors or some of the current colors that we have.
How well they play together, etc., etc. So if there's something you want to see, throw the name out and I'll look.
Okay, so Marianne says this catalog is going to make me go broke. Can we just tell you?
Yes.
If you love everything you see here, or if you just want these new in colors now, get the demo kit. It's the way to go. You can get these in the demo kit right now, and you get to pick $125 worth of products, and you only pay $99, and you get free shipping on the kit.
The shipping just went up.
And then so free shipping, and then you get everything on your wish list at a discount after that.
Yeah.
And so you can get the rest of the stuff that you didn't get on that. You can also get retiring products in there. You can get current products. You can get anything. So totally the way to go. So you don't go broke and you save a lot of money.
So we got a few other products that we have in these colors.
More paper coming. This is 6x6.
So all the 6x6 DSPs in the colors are changing patterns. So here is a sneak peek of those patterns. And then, and I love the plaid.
I'm loving these patterns that they've chosen for this series. I think it's
so sweet
awesome.
Little flower. Stripe with a bit of design, not just plain stripe. It's kind of got a bit of there it goes. Bit of a houndstooth kind of stripe. I love the plaid and then a polka dot, but it's a varied polka dot. Let's see.
There isn't a bumblebee replacement. They don't really replace colors in the in color collection. They go more with trendy things. But Crushed Curry is a close comparison to bumblebee. Yes. So we have something in our core color line that's I think interchangeable with bumblebee.
Yeah.
But if you love all your bumblebee, I don't know how much is left actually.
I know the reinker a week ago had sold out, but everything else was there.
I don't know what's still left.
Yeah, I haven't looked.
Stuff, but I would say get it now.
Yes.
Don't wait.
Yes. Stock up now. But yeah, like you said, Crushed Curry is a good replacement. So and it's available ongoing.
That's the new designer series paper.
And of course we have to have something special.
I didn't get that.
Oh, Siri!
Now Siri wants to be in on the fun. Siri, let us tell you all about this glorious ombre glimmer paper in all the stunning ink colors.
The ink colors, right? How awesome is this?
And that's a big pack too. Was there 4 of each?
I believe there's 4 of each.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's so yummy. So yummy. I've never loved a sweet like this. This is so awesome.
So that is what we have to share of the new ink colors, but now Linda has some the even more fun stuff coming.
So I have, let's see, let's pull out some of these colors. So here are, like Tammy said, here are our in colors as they stand right now. And I'm going to start with Sweet Sorbet, and let's compare them. Let's stick that in the middle. All right, so what I thought was interesting is it is very similar to Poppy Parade. I would even call it a light Poppy Parade. And here it is next to Melon Mambo and Flirty Flamingo. So here are some of our existing pinks. And you can see where it is a much closer to the Poppy Parade. But let's see what other pinks in our past it looks like. So Blush Blossom, Bravo, Cameo Coral. Here is old Lovely Lipstick. It's very different. There's a few here. So, Primrose Petals. Let's see if I can put that here. Rose.
Janet K is asking about that metallic ribbon we shared in the in color. She wants to know if it comes in a pack or you must buy it individually.
Individually.
They're individually. So you can stock up on certain colors if you're doing projects.
All right, so here we go. So here is, make sure you can see all the names. There we go. So here is a sampling of current and retired pinks in relation to this Sweet Sorbet. So if you want to screenshot this and maybe do it.
There we go.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure we're in focus.
Yeah.
There.
Maybe try that on a rewind of watching it. But here's where the pinks fall. So I don't lose my order of things. So current, retired, current, retired, current, in color. It's all good until
It's all fun and games until you try to put it away.
Mix them up. Pinks and reds. Okay. So next, let's go. I'm going to save these guys. Let's go with Parakeet Party. Let's see. So where's my current? So these are. Oh, I've got my brights mixed up with my subtles.
Oh boy.
Oh, no.
Boy. You got the brights mixed up with the other
Hold on,
colors.
where's one? So in my world, I see the parakeet as kind of a light granny apple green. It's got a very similar tone to it.
I like it a lot. You know what it reminds me of? The lime. Do you have the lime?
Yep. So here is, and also
was
here's a light pear. His pear pizzazz as just another currant that we have. We're subtles. So now if I go back in history. All right, so here's all my retired. Oh, just Jade.
Going back.
Made it back in the pile.
Going back in the time machine now.
Let's see. Cucumber, emerald. Here's green galore for so far away. Gumball green. Here is Lucky Limeade. And you can see Lucky Limeade is a bit more yellow, I'd say, in it. I think what other ones?
The lemon lime twist.
Lemon lime twist. There we go.
Right.
Got it?
I think that was it.
Got it?
Nope.
Oh, it's in there somewhere.
I know I just saw it go by.
Oh, there it is.
There
It
go.
is. Lemon
And
lime
that's
twist.
the one I was thinking of. And actually,
Yes.
I think I like Parakeet Party better.
I do too. It's brighter.
But that was the one when this one went away. It was,
I was sad.
heartbreaking.
I missed the Lucky
heartbreaking.
Limeade too. So I can't certainly celery. So I'd say the lemon lime twist is the closest. Wild wasabi. So here's where it falls, and I'll move my hand away if you want to take a screenshot at a later point. All right, so now hold on. So I'm going to take retired. And the greens. And these are my currants. Okay, so that's parakeet. So we have Sweet Sorbet and parakeet. Tahitian Thai. Now, this one, there is not a lot that we currently have that is close to it. Here, like Balmy Blue. And let's do like coastal. Come out. Like Bermuda and Pacific Point. But if we go into the retired, let's see. I kind of did Baja as one of them. Ballet.
Oh gosh, I forgot all about ballet.
We go way back. Brilliant Blue. There's one Brocade
Yeah, that's definitely going back in the time machine.
Come on, Marina Mist. There's, is it the last one? It's the last one. Here is Tempting Turquoise, which is the one when I saw this, I went,
yeah,
it's Tempting
and
Turquoise.
it's very close.
It's very close, but I have to say I like it better. It's like a brighter,
I think it's a brighter,
more exciting color. And here's the rest of my blues, and I don't see any that are anywhere near.
Somebody's looking for Seaside Spray comparison.
Seaside Spray, there you
right
go.
There you go.
Yeah. So I don't see any others that are somewhat close. Boarding Blue, my Bushels, my Dapper, Island Indigo. You know, it's not even close.
Lemongrass. I don't think we had a color called lemongrass.
Lemongrass. I don't think so. As I look back in my history,
I don't think we did.
No, I don't think we did. Sorry. Okay.
All right, so that's Tahitian Tide comparisons.
These are all retired.
Blues.
Yep. Okay. Retired blues. Okay. And next, these two.
I'm pulling out.
Okay. Oh,
Starry Skye.
Okay. Starry Skye. So this is a purple. And it's dark. So, fine. So, of our current purples, Highland Heather and a grape. You see, it's not the same tone at all.
It's a totally new color.
Where is, like even Blackberry Bliss, it's not on that range at all. And even, so here's our retired Concord Crush, Elegant Eggplant, Fresh Fig. We just really have not had, it's starting to look bluer.
I was going to say, what about Night of Navy or Misty Moonlight?
Retired purples. It's all good and dandy until
No, don't put those
see
away
my
too far.
box. I've got the words, but it says current, and the rest of the word is underneath. I have to redesign my labels. Where did I put the purples? In here, because I am going to pull them out. Which one were we looking for? Blue. Night of Navy.
Night of Navy.
Night of Navy.
And the Misty Moonlight.
Yeah. Okay. So here's Night of Navy, and Misty. Misty just retired, so it's here. And Misty and like Midnight Muse.
Yeah. We just don't have any
It's
color
a
like
color,
this.
yeah, that we just so someone wants to screenshot. Just a color we have not had in our lineup in the past, and it's a really fun color. Now, current. All right.
Everybody else is.
I'm gonna leave him here for a sec.
Or her.
These two are actually kind of ombre.
So this is
To each
our
other.
last new incolor share,
And
and they are
it's like the light and dark version of the same color. So let's do that same comparison. So where did I put? All right. So again, here's our purple. So here's our grape and our Highland Heather. Mid-range blues. Let's see, maybe Pacific Point. Let's see what other purples we got here. So our old-time lavender lace, lovely lilac, Wisteria Wonder. Very grayish colors versus how bright this one. Concord Crush. Even Concord Crush next to this. Did I pull Concord? I did.
Yeah.
Yeah. So again, more colors. No, it's not even near a pink. What about blues? That we just haven't seen, which is exciting. I'm so excited to have something almost amethyst that hasn't been in our palette before.
And fresh and trendy.
Fresh and new. Brocade Blue. Like
Doing that ballet blues.
it's a little too bluey. Lot of we've had a lot of colors, but just not anything like this, and it's super exciting.
We have a request for a blueberry bushel compared to Starry Skye.
Hold on, I think I got a blueberry bushel. A blueberry bushel, a bushel and a peck.
Compared to the Starry Skye.
Starry Skye. So that one might be close, but this is definitely deeper and a bit more purple.
So this has some more green. tones in it.
Yeah. You know, so it's fun. Anything else? Brocade? Where was
Yeah,
Brocade
I think we had brocade. You mean with this one? It's right there.
Yeah. Yeah, Brocade Blue. It's a very periwinkle. Pacific Point. Didn't I? Pacific Point. You know, so, but not quite navy. Hold on, I got that one. That was one of my.
I think it's in there.
Is it? Yeah.
Thought I just saw it.
Yeah. Hold on. That was one of my favorite ones. So here's not quite navy, just in case someone wanted to see against this one. You know, totally not even close. Not quite navy with Starry Skye. So here's not quite navy and Starry Skye. Yeah. So I did a bunch of digital color comparisons, and with some colors I don't have. Like there was Kiwi Kiss that everyone used to rave about when I first started. So I don't have a piece. I don't have that physical piece, but it is on the digital one, and Tammy and I will both put those on our blogs.
Yes, so you can look forward to some in-color comparisons tomorrow on our blogs.
Yes.
Stampwithtammy.com and craftystampin.com.